What are your thoughts on the NVIDIA print here, 13?
So I don't think there's much that's changed from yesterday for me. We did have some options indicate that there could be a 5.5% move in either direction. I'm still thinking we're there. For me, NVIDIA, it's not about what they're going to their earnings print. I think I'm going to be more interested in what they've got to say, because we know that NVIDIA has been performing some financial engineering and lending to buyers of their chips, but they have been massively investing in different parts of the AI infrastructure. And I mean, every kind of bottleneck you can think of. And I think I'm going to be interested to hear what they've got to say about the status of their investments and how that's going to look on in terms of revenue going forward. And one thing that I've been keeping an eye, I want to listen for and hopefully hear is progress in their Spectrum X and NVLink. That is basically connecting whole server racks together. So the price of your chips don't just kind of sit around waiting for data. Photonics is another area they've invested in, as well as networking and energy infrastructure. They have a Cloverleaf infrastructure stake so that they can help secure land and electricity grid connections. So I think for me, it's not going to be so much about their sales of chips as much as I'm going to be interested to hear what they've got going on in addition to their chips. I want to see how they intend to, or what their revenue is going to start looking like with all these different investments they've got going on. That Ports Pike campus in Ohio. I mean, there is a lot going on that I think I would like to hear more about than just their next chip.
Okay, and really quickly, that's really good because that emphasizes Adam's point that what happens if it's all bad? Look how many different things this is going to be connected to. You just outlined several of them. We'll see what happens here with NVIDIA. Okay.